guys, and welcome back to Cbunny&Fam. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Today I will be cooking some steak and some salad with some potatoes. So let's get started. Always watching him move on YouTube. And so you're gonna wash your potatoes. Okay guys, you can see that I already got the potatoes in the aluminum foil. And so I'm just gonna put these inside of this pan. Now you guys have to put it inside the oven. Make sure you have an adult permission to put this in the oven, or you guys have to put it on 400 degrees, 45 minutes. Make sure you guys be careful while doing it. Rinsing off the vegetables with cold water. You guys will want to have an adult to cut up your vegetables. And now she's going to be cutting up the tomatoes, all the vegetables and the cheese in the bowl. Now you guys, what I'm going to do next is shake up the As you guys can see, I'm just cooking up the steak. I'm just gonna flip them over. Now you guys, we're just gonna let each side cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna wait for its brown color. You guys should just have adults' permission to put hot things in the oven. Placing it into the oven. Going to let it cook about 30 minutes. Now you guys are just going to wait. Finally done, and here go my plate. So this is how I fix mine. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys want more of this, just comment. I'll see you guys next time.